All right, guys, Rich here once again at RCINFORMER. Steve on the camera with the V1200. This time, today's flight's going to be some lighter packs. I went ahead with today's with a 4000 50C. With the prior flights, we had 5030 and 50C, and they were all the way to the limit, all the way far forward, just touching the receiver wires. Now with the 4000, I have it all the way back. We were running it right on the CG, and actually if you put it farthest back in those rear two straps, it still balances on the same CG. Plane's just going to be a little bit lighter now, a little less flight time. Steve, don't let me have too much fun. Don't let me fly too long, because the other flights were longer. These are going to be shorter because we got less battery. 4000 6-cell pack in it, and let's see what we can do. We're booted up, landing gears down, flaps are up. One other additional change that I did make to this thing. Let me go ahead and put that on. Let's let it boot up. It's going to go through its flight control test, 2 of them. There we go. One change I did make also to my flap setting, and Steve, if you want to film that again, it did feel like I had maybe a little forward stick on the full flap. So when I drop my flaps, I still have 15% in the elevator, but when I go to full, I got 35. I bumped it up 5%, and we'll see how that does. We'll do a few approaches here, and I think we're good to go. Also, the landing gear seems to be holding up better. In fact, the first flight that I did on it, it seemed like it bent back, but honestly, that last landing we did, everything was working fine. I did bend my one gear actually forward too much, so and I figured the landings would bend it, but it's really not. It's kind of hitting that front edge. But you know, hey guys, once I hit the grass with it, or I pull some G's with it, it kind of comes right out, so it's not really a big deal. And I think we're good to go. All right, Steve, you ready? All right, let's take this thing off. Safety there, right, left, up, down. Again, taxi out with full rates. Right, left, up, down, especially on the elevator. And here we go. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. Here we go. Got that mic on. Taxi her on out. Full stick back, 100% on the throw on the elevator. Bouncing around a little bit. All right, here we go. No flaps on takeoff. I don't think it needs it. All right, Steve, here we go. All right, taking off. Very manageable. Gears coming up. I'm just going to point it up, go upstairs. I think this plane flies best, folks, when it's at 70% on the rates. All right, let's try the landing again. Gears down, full flaps. I'll try my approach coming in perpendicular here, and let's see. Yeah, you see that nose seems to be settling down better. Very controllable in the landing. So it looks like it'll do a nice touchdown. Let's go up. I hit a little harder than I wanted to. Gears coming up. Woo, yeah, baby. Stirring the sticks. Yeah, this is a plane that, you know, it takes a little bit to get comfortable with it because it's so much performance. Let's do another, let's see if we can get a touch and go out of it. Flaps are full, gear is down. I'm letting that nose settle. Yeah, it comes down nice. I think that 35% on the full flap setting is probably where it needs to be. Oh, I want to go around. You know what's happening, Steve? The ground is rising up on me there.
Yeah, it is.
Hey, well, let me do this. I'm going to give you some steep turns out front. You ready? I'm going to bring it down low. You ready?
All right.
All right, bringing it in hot. You can see those wings flexing. There's lots of spar in this thing. That's full throttle, folks. I'm hammering on this thing. Yeah, that's a lot of abuse. Gears down, flaps. See if we can get a reasonable landing out of it. You got it, it's coming in. It's on final. It's to the right. There you go. You got it?
Yep.
Sorry. Power's off. Yeehaw! Did I lose you again? You got it?
Yep.
All right, sorry. Guys, this thing has so much performance. I'm being kind of conservative with it with my landings. Let's do another one. Gear flaps coming down full. I tell you, it does handle slow speed well. Let me see if I can get it a little slower, a little more comfortable here. I'm not landing on the normal runway because of our crosswind here, so. That's a little better. Let me go around and try that again. God, you just don't need all that power, Steve. I mean, it's just like you just have gobs and gobs of power.
It says you don't need that much power.
When you go around, just ease the power in. You do not need to kind of jam it. If you need it, use it, but you're gonna go around. If you have to go around, go around. Planning is everything with this. We have a very short runway, guys, because we are landing perpendicular. So this is not our normal kind of pattern here. So I'm having to come in over that fence that I'm unfamiliar with. So I don't want to strike any obstacles there. And I want to come in with some power. So yeah, just easing the power in. Obviously, I didn't even use any power too much on the go around. I just let it. I mean, really, Steve, this thing needs about a quarter throttle to fly well. And I'm going to bring it in over these things this time. I've got the power off. I mean, this thing's clean. There we go. Nice. Nice touch and go. Two of them. Power's coming in, going straight up. Gear flaps up. I think we're pushing our luck a little bit today with this this wind, but hey, guys, we're here to demo. Me and Steve are not fair weather flyers. Steve's a Marine, and man, I just like to get it done here. All right, here we go.
They gave us all weather aircraft to fly in.
Let's see if I can. I think I'm going to bring it in this time. Just easing some power in. Very slow, very slow. I'm going to go around. Yeah, let's go around. I'm not even using. Yeah, you just don't need all that power to go around with this. You just got to ease it. And I'm trying to land on a good surface. I really don't want to land out there because it's crappy, but the surface ain't so good right there. But I'm trying my best not to nose it over. My power's off. Yeah, the flap's coming up. There we go, beauty. So yeah, you can get it down nicely. I had high elevator rating at that time too. So is it going to let me turn? Yeah, let's try. Here we go. Yeah, we're getting around. Full stick back when you taxi with this, guys. 100%. That's definitely what you want. Let's check our battery and see what we got. It's definitely better with 35% for sure. Let me get my safety on. 35% on full flaps. That's definitely the way to go with the book settings on the flap throws. Can you get air? You want to get on that again, Steve, so everybody can see the flap setting. I dialed this thing to the wrong switch. I dialed this thing to the book settings. I think it was like 12 or 13 millimeter. I don't even remember what the second was, but I put them in where the factory said to put them. And with 35% at full in the elevator, 35% down travel, that's perfect. So, all right, 4,000 packs. Steve, you want to wager on the battery?
22.
22. All right. Yeah, because it's a shorter flight. It's weird unplugging this thing because there's a fan. There's a big cooling fan on the ESC, this Avion, and that's there to keep it cool because we're definitely pulling some amps on this thing, I'm sure. I don't really want to look at my telemetry that it has while I'm doing this, so yeah, let's see, 4,000. Let's see what we got. So not bad. That was a decent flight. So let's go ahead with the 32 pack. Oh, here, I'll give you that. Yep. We're swapping out. It's a hot fuel. We're hot fueling. All right, let's see. Let's get this in there. Let's just keep rolling, I guess. Amy's probably cooking me some dinner at home, so I gotta get home. Let's see. All right, let's set this in there. I'm gonna go all the way back, full aft. Let's kind of pull this thing. This is the 3200 30C pack, again 6-cell. And Steve, we actually got to do a 4-cell demo at some point too. So, but let's see, that's all the way to the back. Shelf liner holding it in place. That looks good, it's not moving. Let's leave the power off for 1 second while I do this really quick. Let me pop this, love that magnet. All right, we're going into the wind. Let's see where we are CG wise. Yeah, right on the CG. So when you guys use a 4,000 pack, in this case, the SPEKTRUM 4000 32 or 4,000, just go all the way back. Put them both under both straps, and that should do it. So let's boot it up. Let's roll here. Get that plugged in. Let it boot. Flight controls check. Very good. Let's plug this in. Let's get this down. do a quick gear check. Make sure we didn't do anything to it on that run there. Okay, it's still hitting the front end of that, but that's okay, folks. That's what I kind of wanted to do. Again, this is more of a paved surface airplane, but just couldn't do it today, folks, with the winds the way they are. This is the only way to do it. Besides, we're supposed to be filming this top secret like, so nobody can see it, so this is the only place where there's no people, actually. All right, let's power this up. Safety's off. Woo! Okay, well, let me do one more thing, Steve. The one thing I forgot to check. Let me just double check and make sure that the battery is good, that I didn't put a dead one in there. It's always better to be safe than sorry. Yep, we're good. Fully charged. I've never taken off with a dead battery before, Steve.
Sure.
So might as well check it on the ground if you're just not sure. All right, here we roll. Here we go. All right. Here we go. Right, left, up, down. 100% travel on everything. There we go. All right, taxiing out. You got the mic on there?
Yep.
Oh, we're stuck in a notch. Okay, let's get this thing out of here. Let's get it out of that. There we go. Full aft stick for taxi again. You ready?
Yep.
Here we go. All right, I don't think there's anything there. Here we go. Taking off. Very good. Gear's coming up. It's very light now, so it'll go out of sight. Again, 3200 pack, not too much fun on this flight. Go to low rates on everything. Coming in hot, Steve, full throttle. Woo!
Sucker move.
Yeah, it does move. Yeah, that's that battery alarm telling me that something's wrong. It's a gremlin in the I was told it was a gremlin in the system, so that's why I checked it before we went. There we go. Woo! Going up. Look at that thing go. Holy smokes. Yeah, I'll just have to keep hitting that clear button. Gears down, flaps down. I'm power off. Yeah, there's no way this is going to even be in time for landing here. Yeah, it's just too hot. We'll go around. But it'll get slow. I mean, look at it. It'll get nice and slow, okay? Not bad. We'll line it up. I'll come in over where I was before. Power's off. Bleed it off a little bit. Power's still off. Nice touch and go. Yeah, I mean, it'll fly slow. I think it's just deceiving how quick of an airplane it is, that you feel like you need all this power, but I'm landing this thing basically power off, because with any bit of power, it's just too much. I mean, if anything, I'm bringing it up just a touch, you know? Yeah, I mean, that's not bad for grass. Power's coming in, easing it in, straight up. I just can't help, Steve, but point the nose of this thing straight up into the air. It just has that much power.
It'll make you want to do that.
Gears down. Yeah, when you got power, it just makes you want to use it. We'll have to get a radar gun out here and see if this is really doing what they say it's doing, but it really, I mean, it definitely is hauling some butt. Very nice, yeah. I'm holding a lot of back stick when I'm doing that. Yeah, I just can't help this. You point this thing up there. All right, 3200 pack. It'll go all day. Yeehaw! All right, gear and flaps are coming down. Yeah, that's that alarm again. We're probably getting close, so Steve, I'll bring it in. We'll do a battery check. Let me just drop it in. Power's off. I'm finding myself doing a totally power off approach. And then when I get right around here, I might add a little bit. I'm full elevator rate again, 100%. Bringing it in nice without hitting that damn stick there. Beauty. Flaps coming up. Let it settle. Yeah, very good. I mean, you can tame this thing, you know, and get it to do what you want it to do, I think. Let's see, I can't even turn that around, Steve. Let's try it. Yeah, the wind is just, yep, see, it's gonna go over. Let me go get it. The wind is just howling, howling. Woo! What I'm thinking, Steve, is we may even want to go on a higher elevator rate. Get more throw for the high, and keep 70 for the high speed stuff. Let me hit the throttle kill. Because it's fine at 70% when you're flying it around, but it's almost like you need a little more for the grass, but it's okay. Let's check the gear. The gear I'm not too worried about. My safety's on. Yeah, they're tapping into the wells a little bit. They will bend a bit, but there's so much G-force on these things that you know, if you get them once stuck in the well, in fact, I'm probably going to start scraping the wells a little bit because they fit kind of tight in there. Again, folks, this is mostly a runway or paved surface airplane, I think, but it does okay on the grass here, not too bad at all. But you've seen today, folks, a 4,000 pack and a 3,200 pack in really high winds. I think it just takes, you know, learning your approach with this thing, getting it slow enough. And for sure, you know, if you have a less windy day, it's easier to do that. I'm just kind of being conservative because we got at least 20 knots of wind here that's beating up on us. So, all right, Steve, what's your
25.
wager? What do you think?
25.
25. Let's see. There we go. Beautiful. That baby snaps right in. All right, let's see. It's a little warm. All of them have been a little warm, but not ridiculously hot or anything. Let's see what we got here. Get that? 26, yeah. So very good. I mean, you get a decent flight time still, even out of the 3,200 pack. So anyway, guys, check it out. More videos on this airplane. We'll get it on a runway when we can here soon and give you a flight demo there. So far, we've got 4 flights on it now, 3,200, 4,000, both 5,000s from Spektrum, and the thing flies phenomenally even in this wind on grass. We're still learning the plane, so you know, we're gonna have more videos for you. One thing's for sure, when you're landing this airplane, it seems like it needs to come in hot, and of course I got a hell of a headwind today, so but you can see as those last couple landings, you get it slow, full flaps, you got the right mixing in, you know, you can do a decent landing with it here. Just make sure you're at full elevator, 100% travel or more when you're landing. And at touchdown, I reached up and I just flipped my flap switch up so the tail will settle down and you're less likely to bring it over. But outstanding, folks. I really like this thing. If you guys want to get one of these, please use our links in the description below. If you get one through our links, we do appreciate that. It supports our channel, folks. Check us out on Instagram and Twitter. Please like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so when we launch new videos, you guys will be the first to get them. So, Steve, we're headed to the runway next, a paved surface, so we can fly it on some pavement. I think that's the way to go. So, anyway, Steve, thanks for filming, guys. Thanks for watching. More releases coming, more new planes coming. Thanks for watching, guys. And as always, folks, we will see you guys next time.